This week, truck drivers and Indiana State Police are joining forces to help save lives.
News 18's KIYERRA Lake explains how a new initiative is fighting human trafficking.
THULL has been a truck driver for 17 years. He's never spotted human trafficking, but he has seen evidence it is being looked for.
You have Border Patrol traveling everywhere. You have border checks, which they just randomly will close down an interstate and they'll make everybody pull off.
He says the more he drives south, the more patrols he sees.
It really does sadden me because I would think we as the people in America have moved on beyond that type of stuff.
This week, state police in Indiana, Ohio, and Michigan are joining forces with Truckers Against Trafficking. Their mission is to raise awareness of human trafficking and teach how to spot and report it.
As of October 31st, 2016, the National Human Trafficking Resource Center received over 200 calls reporting human trafficking in Indiana.
I mean, it's somebody's sister, brother, son, wife. Somebody's out there that needs help.
Terminal Manager David FERNEY says he goes over training from Truckers Against Trafficking during quarterly safety meetings.
If they're at a truck stop, to notify the manager and call law enforcement. If they're at a rest area, just to call law enforcement, not to get personally involved.
FERNEY says going over this information with his drivers is not required.
All of them are very enthusiastic about doing it.
ISP encourages drivers to say something if they see something suspicious.
You know, it might not be anything. Well, that's fine, but I'd rather go off of turning something in and possibly having it nothing than to not turn it in and have it be a major thing.
For information on how to report suspected human trafficking, visit our website at WLFI.com. Reporting in Lafayette, KIYERRA Lake, News 18.